Bujumbura, it's your boys tech team. We're rocking World Beach tomorrow. Wow, man, it's my second time here. It's nice, you know. Yes, we are here.
Yeah. Let's eat it. Let's eat it, my boss. Yeah, let's kill it. We are here. It's going down.
How was your day? It was long. Wow. Yeah, it was long. It was nice, but it was long. Just to rest.
So me crossing
Just to rest.
Nothing much, nothing less.
Yeah, it's our second time here. This time was nice. I'm hoping even this time is gonna be nice. You know, Burundi people are welcoming. It's nice. Yeah. No. No.
South is a big country. It can be understood. So, what are you ready to give at the show for Burundian Burundian people?
Nothing but fire.
Fire.
You're gonna kill all of it. People here go crazy over music. Whenever you perform, whenever you do your performance, you enjoy because they also give you the energy.
Now South Africa is known as the country of beaches of Amapiano. Yeah. What kind of a music are you are ready to play tomorrow in Tanganyika Summer Fair?
It's Amapiano, it's 3-step. Now there's a genre called 3-step. You know, in South Africa we set the trends, you know. Now there's 3-step. You're gonna hear it. Yeah.
That's a last word, not to conclude. 1 second for everybody. A last word, a short last word to conclude.
Everyone.
Take the microphone.
Tech team is here. Please come through tomorrow. World Beach. Let's rock together. Let's have fun. Let's make new memories together. Come on, come on. Come see the fire.
Good.